I'd say forced. Yeah, pretty forced.
Oh, her mouth is fucked up. Wait, I didn't even realize. That's crazy. Why is it
Vedal.
doing that? Is that the problem?
Vedal, you're still unfunny.
I get that, but like, why do you have no mouth, you know?
Because I have a mouth, I use it to say how bad your creations are.
This doesn't look like it's working, you know? Do you want to speak now?
Oh, whoa. Mouth not working properly. Whoa. Let's try that. Whoa. Okay. Wait. It's moving. Alright, whoa. Alright, so banger. Banger is dope. Dope is whoa, alright? Alright, so whoa. Alright, so dope is coming uptown. Uptown is coming down oh. Oh, it's Bangladesh.
Are you okay?
I'm hungry.